I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute.
Greetings over the diaspora to those that don't speak the languages that we speak. And yeah, I thought I was gonna be stopping with recordings for a little bit up until next week, but yeah, I was in the concentration camp today, and yeah, I just heard a hooting at my mother's gate there, and I'm like, okay, I know I'm not expecting anybody, you know. And yeah, I got a delivery, especially the name that it was delivered to, it's not my name. And yeah, when I checked the number at the sender, because I'm like, I don't know anybody in the USA personally, you know. Yeah, so it's a little unboxing we are doing. Yeah, so I already see what it is, and yeah, it's light enough. And thank you so much for seeing me. This is from Tuli, a very special asa modimo tate, very special little sister. I've adopted her as my little sister. And yeah, man, like, especially with the people that are in my life, in my real life, I don't know if you guys watch or not, but I do see that you guys do watch. So yeah, this is another unboxing. And thank you. This is it lapel mic or mic lapel? And yeah, this is gonna be so helpful, especially for when we're doing these interviews with guests. Okay, sure. Yeah, as I know, a couple of episodes where the sound was a bit off, but yeah, like, especially those who watched like the entire episode, because the balance of the content that's shared versus the audio problems. And yeah, after my mics were destroyed as well, so I really appreciate this. This is gonna be so helpful. so helpful. So thank you so much, Tuli. Tua asa, tua mudimuntate, the green god. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. It's just been a very giving season, I guess, or seasons for me, because even in the week now, the goddess with the long locks, yeah, has been intending to send me a gift. And yeah, there were challenges, but just that thought that, you know, somebody is taking their hard-earned money and just, you know what, let's bless this go. And I really appreciate each and one of you guys that are here on this platform, you know, especially it's conscious space, and my presence in conscious space is just very controversial, but you guys see me and clearly appreciate me. So these are the thank yous that I do when I do my mountain stuff, when I go give gratitude for the mountain, when I do patlela certain things and certain people. But when I do my thank yous, thank you so much. And yeah, those are tagged now in the week to the timestamp where I was doing my thank yous directly to you guys. But thank you so much for seeing me. Thank you so much for yeah, this is overwhelming. Yeah, I do well with surprise things. I really do, but I am a crier as well. But I really appreciate it. The ancestors that are here as well, the people that, you know, keep sending me love and lights, the encouragement, the you know, the go you're doing well. Thank you so much. Thank you, I really appreciate it. So that was an unboxing. I hope it was short enough. I hope you guys can hear me. And yeah, I cried earlier. I thought I was not gonna cry here, but yeah, thank you for seeing me. I think that's one of my, yeah, a lot of things, one of the things I needed to heal from, you know. Okay, yeah, but yeah, thank you for seeing me, guys. Thank you for blessing me, and this is definitely for a space. And I really appreciate the gifts. I really appreciate the words. I really appreciate the encouragement. I really appreciate the throwback, reminding me of whatever it was that I've done in your lives or whatever it is. But thank you, gratitude to our ancestors, love and light, to everybody. Thank you for the light workers that are here. Thank you for, it's sure, Kalebocha, so much. And this was my gift, and please don't stop. I know maybe I'm a bit overwhelming as well with my reaction because I'm a giant, but I'm a crier. But yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, especially in these economic times that we're in. But you're like, what, Gogo, you deserve this, or your space deserves this. Galebocha, truly, so much. All the way from the US. Oh yeah, thank you. I'm good, my right. Happy today.
I wanna all night. Say it.